Apple iPhone XPTA tax Pakistan 2023. As people across the globe are looking to get their hands on Apple iPhone 15, old-school Apple lovers still hold Apple X and other previous models, including iPhone 11 and 12. In Pakistan, Android still remains the most popular smartphone in Pakistan, but the demand for the iPhone continues to surge. The tax collection authorities introduced various taxes on imported mobile phones, including customs duty, regulatory duty, sales tax, and federal excise duty, and these taxes depend on the model and specifications of the iPhone. With increasing demand, Apple phone prices are flying off the shelves, and even older generation models, including iPhone X, are now popular among those who could not be able to buy new high-end devices. From local content creators to salaried class people, Apple phones are becoming the new norm, and amid a huge influx of Apple phones, it impacted the price as several phones, especially high-end devices, attracted massive taxation amid the new reforms introduced by authorities.